Natural disasters strike without warning, but what if technology could warn us before the danger arrives? Introducing PralayPredict, an AI-powered flood prediction and community safety platform. Using live weather data, machine learning, GIS, and community insights. PralayPredict predicts the flood risk, guides user to shelters, and simplifies relief claims. Our system is simple, secure, and theme adaptive. User can switch the theme between light and dark mode and choose their preferred language instantly as English, Marathi, Hindi. Let's start by login. New user can create an account by simply clicking on create an account by entering an email address, simply user @gmail.com and then simply enter the password and click on sign up and again for login uh, hit the password, hit the email ID and then password and then just click and login and here you are ready to explore flood prediction personalized for your location. And it also contains features like real-time flood risk analysis, 24-hour prediction timelines, nearest safe shelters, community alerts, and digital claim filling.
So, welcome to PralayPredict. As we all know, PralayPredict is an AI-powered flood risk prediction website where currently we are into the dashboard page of the PralayPredict. So, it basically determines the flood risk of an city. So, basically, to run a prediction, we need to put the city name. Uh, for now, we are putting like Pune, and the flood risk is calculated. As we can see, the risk of flood is low now, and the model is 89% confident about its prediction. So basically, how this prediction is calculated and how this risk is calculated. So our ML model is trained on the six environmental parameters, and based on it, it determines the flood risk and confidence. So basically, humidity, rainfall, river level, soil moisture, temperature, and wind speed. All these parameters are the live real parameters which are fetched from an API. Going further, we can see the feature trends of all these parameters in a graph form, which helps user visualize betterly. Further, we can see the prediction timeline. Like this is a feature where the user can see the further 24 hours forecast conditions. Like the user can see rainfall forecast and flood risk for every hour, every future hour. Like as we can scroll this further, this slider further, we are uh, the things are changing and also the values. Like there are no rainfall like conditions in Pune now, so the rainfall parameter is remaining 0.0 mm, whereas the flood risk is also low in Pune now. Going to further page, we are having a flood map. This is an district level heat map based on the real-time city predictions. Likewise, we can see for the Pune, it is showing the risk is low. Again, for Mumbai, it is also showing risk is low. We are currently fetching only the some of the major cities, further expanding to more. Further, we can see the safety feature. This is the most important feature, as in the time of distress and the flood, the people can't understand what to do and where to do. So here are the emergency contacts of the all the bureaus and agencies of the government, like Maharashtra Disaster Control and Municipal Corporation contacts. Also, there is a flood safety checklist, what people should do in the time of a flood. Followed by this is the most important and feature like nearby safe shelters, uh, which is an GPS based feature. So the website tracks your current GPS location, and based on it, it gives you the shelters around you. Like now I'm in Pune, so it is showing me the shelters available nearby to me. As we can see, it not only shows the shelters, but it also shows the distance between me and the shelter. It also points the shelters with the red pointers on the map. Going further to the relief claim page. So basically, a relief claim, also called as panchnama. So basically, at the time of flood, after flood condition, which is a post flood, there is a many restriction of the people's livelihoods and the places. So government provide them with the relief funds, which we have digitized the process of claiming that things. So basically, this is a form which user has to fill out. So proceeding with the claimant name, we can put the claimant name followed by his or her mobile number, address, district name, taluka, again village name. Again, you can see here it is auto-geotag captured, which is a feature like where are you filling this form from. It captures your real-time geotag location and it verifies that the flood has actually occurred in that area or not, with an accuracy of approx 0.5 kilometers. Moving on to next, here are some flood details that we need to fill out, like when the flood has occurred, followed by the severity of flood. It was a low flood, medium flood, severe flood. This information can be found out from the village level authorities, like water level inside and water level outside, followed by the flood duration, for how many hours the flood resist, followed by the damage. How was the damage? It was minor or major damage. Okay, so we can calculate the loss. It is showing approx 19,000. And the values are fixed by the government in the case of the damage levels and the assessed loss. So user basically need to put the photos which are the geotagged of the location where the destruction has occurred. For now we are putting the dummy images. So basically we can review this form for all the information that we have filled, and at last the user can submit and generate an PDF. So basically an PDF is generated. Okay, so here we can see the case ID. Also it is showing the status, like it is under verification, and the relief amount and UTR number will be sent afterwards once the status is fixed. It also shows the officer which is assigned and also the update status. Now we can open the PDF and we can see that a form has been generated, which we have filled just now. As you can see, all the claimant details, flood details, damage assessment, photographs, an official section, followed by an QR verification has occurred. Going further to the contact page. So this is basically us, PralayPredict. You can send us message for the improvements or for the queries. These are all the PralayPredict handles, uh, followed by the team member's name and an FAQ, a dedicated FAQ section where user can solve the queries, which are the most frequently asked questions. And thank you for giving us time to listen to our project. Thank you.